In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Webflow. If you're looking to streamline your subscriptions or simply want to take a break from Webflow, I'll guide you through the cancellation process step by step, ensuring you know exactly what to do. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Webflow account. Head over to the Webflow website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your Webflow dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage your projects and handle account-related tasks. On your dashboard, look for the billing section. Generally, this is located under Account Settings or near the Need Plans area. Accessing the billing section is crucial as it contains all the necessary information about your current subscription plan, including options to modify or cancel it. Now, in the billing section, you'll need to find the option to cancel your subscription. This could be labeled as Cancel Subscription, Cancel Plan, or Cancel Site Plan. The exact wording might vary, but the essence remains the same. It's the option that allows you to terminate your active subscription with Webflow. Once you've located the cancellation option, Webflow will likely prompt you to confirm your decision. This prompt might be accompanied by a request for feedback where they ask you why you're choosing to unsubscribe. Take your time to provide any feedback if you wish. It's always helpful for companies to understand their users' experiences. Afterward, confirm the cancellation to proceed. Once you've confirmed, keep an eye on your email inbox. Webflow typically sends a confirmation email to verify the subscription has been successfully canceled. This email serves as a record for your decision and ensures you have a point of reference regarding the end of your subscription. After the cancellation is complete, you'll have access to any automatically created backups of your projects within Webflow. This feature can come in handy if you decide you want to restore a previous version of your site in the future. Browse through the available backups and, if needed, select the version you'd like to restore. Then simply click on the Restore option to bring that version back. And there you have it. You've successfully unsubscribed from Webflow, and you now know how to manage and restore your project backups if needed. Thank you for following along with this guide. Make sure to check your email for the cancellation confirmation, and if you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to reach out to Webflow's customer support. They're there to help you with any issues you might encounter. Until next time, and good luck with managing your projects.